Hey everyone, I'm driving through fields and forests again, searching for abandoned cars. By the way, I think I see one over there. Yeah, there's definitely a blue car. I'll drive closer to it. Wow, it's a sports car. Who left it here? I'll go check it out. No way, this is a Fortnite car. Exactly, there's a model like this in the game. What luck. Look at that sporty spoiler. It has wide fender flares and poke, probably because of spacers. The front fender is tuned too. And the wheels are sporty, very cool. Whoa, what's this little banana guy doing here? The car has a lot of dirt on it. Looks like it's been here for a long time. And the bumper is missing. Let's see what's inside. No way, that's a gun. A pistol with a suppressor. Some kind of advanced Fortnite weapon. Guys, write in the comments if you remember which season this was in. Careful, there's also a grenade here. Looks very dangerous. The main thing is not to pull the pin. Another pistol. This one is already rusty. A Fortnite keychain. Nice. Guys, write if you like playing Fortnite and if you've ever seen a car like this in the game. Wow, this is something more serious. This is some kind of special rifle, maybe plasma, I'm not sure. Tell me in the comments. This is probably one of the Battle Pass outfits. Maybe some of you have it. Another device. I don't understand what it is. A grenade, a potion, or something else. Do you know? Wow, a real AK-47. It actually exists in Counter-Strike 2. I'm not sure if Fortnite had AKs. What do you think? And here's a magazine for it. I took off the safety. Wow, that recoil. And here's the bumper. But it's broken in half. Doesn't look great. Nah, I'll just put it back. Oh, this is the air filter housing. Why is it here and not under the hood? Let's open it and see what's inside. A pretty serious unit. I already see what needs to be fixed. Alright, let's restore and get this Fortnite sports car running. You're on Restart Garage POV. Don't forget to subscribe. The oil is fine. These are the connectors that attach to the air filter housing. Let's install it back. Connecting it to the pipe. Bolts go into the holes. I'll install the battery right away. Connecting the terminals. Let's check if power is coming in. Good thing the keys are here. Good, the indicator's lit up. The engine even started right away. But the way it rattles is not good at all. I'll turn it off for now. I have an idea. I have a special diagnostic device. Connecting it to the brain of the Fortnite car. Great, I see full diagnostic data. Got it, I can remove the device. First, I'll put these plugs back in. And install this valve. Here's the second plug. It was torn off. Maybe there was a big fight or chase with shooting and the engine got damaged. Connecting this connector to the air fan. Let's try again. Much better. Completely different sound. I can close the hood. And I'll put the weapons back into the car so no one accidentally finds them and gets hurt. Get inside, dummy! Alright, time for a test drive of the restored Fortnite sports car. Off-road my SUV is better, but this car still moves pretty well. Guys, rate today's video with a like, comment, and subscription. I'll do a couple more laps. Although the bumper might fall off on these bumps, in every sense. What do you think about this custom steering wheel? Looks cool. Alright, let's take one more look at the Fortnite car from the outside. That was today's find. Bye everyone.